Hi guys, so today we're going to do a gel polish tutorial. I have done a white base and of course cured that in the lamp. I'm then going to go in with a neon orange and a neon yellow and do some side swipes across the nail. I want it to have a little bit of thickness to it for the next step that I'm going to do. Then I'm going to use a thin brush and drag it through the wet polish. I'm just wiping off the brush each time I swipe through as well, so there's not a clog of colour. Once you're happy with that, you just put it in the lamp to cure. Once that's come out of the lamp, all we have to do now is apply top coat. You can either apply a gel top coat that's glossy, you can do one that's matte, or you could even just do one that's a glitter top coat. This time I'm just going to use a regular gloss. I'll cure that for the last time in the lamp.